you cringe. Sure, he's cute and giving you affection. Might want to check if he's got an infection. People switch it and start itching. OMG, stop your bitching. Put on a condom and use lube, lubey lube. Use lube, lubey lube, and get pretty rude. Protect your glory box. You can play around, girls, I don't mind that.
Wrap up your package so you don't get the club. Sugar.
Red and yellow and pink and green. Pick a color, let's keep it clean. STIs ain't no fiction. Go ahead, look 'em up in the diction. Airy. Intergalactic, prophylactic, intergalactic, prophylactic, intergalactic. Another infection, another infection. Chlamydia? No! Use a condom, a condom, a condom, a condom, a dum, 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 dum.
And lube, lots of lube. Und sketch rude. Rub it on your boob. Protect your glory box.
What happened last night? I don't know. I don't even know who this guy is. He's sleeping on a condom.